Ever wished you could download knowledge directly into your brain? While we're not quite there yet, I've got the next best thing. Buckle up, because in the next 5 minutes, you're about to discover 10 mind-blowing tricks that'll supercharge your learning speed. Ready to unlock your brain's full potential? Let's dive in. Trick number 10, the Pomodoro Technique. No, it's not a fancy pasta dish. It's a time management method that'll revolutionize your study sessions. Here's how it works. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle 4 times, then reward yourself with a longer break. It's like interval training for your brain, keeping you focused and fresh. Moving on to trick number 9, the memory palace. Imagine turning your mind into a grand mansion, where each room holds a piece of information you need to remember. By associating facts with familiar locations, you're tapping into your brain's natural ability to remember spatial information. It's how memory champions memorize entire decks of cards in minutes. Trick number 8 is a game changer. Teach what you learn. Ever noticed how explaining something to someone else cements it in your own mind? That's because teaching forces you to break down complex ideas and articulate them clearly. So find a study buddy or even an imaginary student and start lecturing. Now, for trick number 7, use mnemonics. These are clever memory aids that help you recall information. Remember Roy G. Beeve for the colors of the rainbow? That's a mnemonic. Create your own for whatever you're studying. The sillier the better. Your brain loves novelty. Halfway there. Trick number 6 is all about mind mapping. It's like creating a spider web of knowledge, with your main topic at the center and related ideas branching out. This visual technique helps you see connections and organize information in a way that mirrors how your brain naturally works. Trick number 5 might surprise you. Exercise before studying. That's right, physical activity isn't just good for your body, it's brain food too. A quick workout increases blood flow to your brain, boosting alertness and mental clarity. So do some jumping jacks before hitting the books. Now let's talk about trick number 4, the Feynman Technique. Named after the famous physicist Richard Feynman, this method involves explaining a concept in simple terms as if you're teaching it to a child. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. Back to the drawing board. Trick number 3 is a real eye-opener, active recall. Instead of passively rereading your notes, test yourself regularly. Create flashcards, take practice quizzes, or simply close your book and try to recall key points. It's more effective than rereading and helps identify gaps in your knowledge. We're almost there. Trick number 2 is spaced repetition. Instead of cramming all your study sessions together, space them out over time. Review material at gradually increasing intervals. This technique works with your brain's natural forgetting curve, ensuring information sticks for the long haul. And finally, the number 1 trick to learn anything fast: make it meaningful. Connect new information to things you already know or care about. Our brains are wired to remember what's relevant to us. So find personal connections, real-world applications, or even jokes related to what you're learning. The more meaningful it is, the faster you'll learn it. There you have it, 10 mind tricks to supercharge your learning. From time management techniques to memory hacks, these strategies tap into the way your brain naturally works. Remember, learning isn't just about absorbing information. It's about understanding, connecting, and applying knowledge in new ways. So, which trick will you try first? Whatever you choose, you're now equipped to learn faster and more effectively than ever before. Now go out there and start learning like a pro.